Okay, it's Gsxr. Sold this in 2014 to the last owner. So he's had it for 8 years. Not done an awful lot of miles on it. Had about 1,000 miles when we sold it. It's done five or six now. He serviced it every year. So got receipts, stamps in the book. It's got some R&G crash bungs. It's got the little engine guards as well there. Probably Yoshi engine guards. Looks nice and clean. Got the R&G bar ends as well. Yeah. Front tyre looks really good. Nice wheel rim stickers on it. Little mark on the mudguard there, probably from having a disc-lock on it. For some reason, people who have Gsxrs always do that. Don't know what it is about Gsxrs. Got the zero gravity screen. Orange are good. Little marks on the crash bung there. His garage was quite narrow with his car in it, and down a very steep driveway, so I did say that was the cause of that. Chain of sprockets look really good. It's got the Paddock stand reels on it. Tank looks nice and clean, so the lighting's not brilliant in here. Can't do it outside because it's raining today. The mark I noticed, there's a little mark on there, which the last owner did point out to me again, was a storage wound, he said. Rear tyre's really good. Got tail tidy on it. It's got the seat cowl. We do have the rear seat. We do have the rear pegs as well. It's got a nice R&G hanger on it. Nice smart Yoshi can, sounds nice. It's got a little dent in it, just there. Doesn't really stand out that much, but worth pointing out. Braided hoses. So a lot of nice bits and bobs on it. And 5,737 miles. Let me two-hand start these up. It starts on the button. Sounds nice, not too loud, but a little bit louder than standard. Cold and damp today, so a bit of steam coming out of the exhaust, normal. There you go, nice low mileage bike.